breaking up the ground, start to grow. Like, you go back to review it, or yours in learning that course, maybe that period or that period. Now, grass, 草 grass, 草. It's just a picture. Always grow. So this P has, so this part, even though the right part mainly contributed the pronunciation, also the part in the Chinese character which contributed mainly the pronunciation of this whole zi, from a being to be little, sprout, and grow up to be a crop, or so the P has also show the fundamental function of